Welcome back, Pankaj from Sons of Technologies, and in this session we'll be looking about who adds default constructor to the class. This is one of the very widely asked question in the interviews, like who adds default constructor to the class. And here the options given, like either first option it is JVM, second JRE, third interpreter, and fourth none of this. Let's look at the answer for the same. So here I am going for a new folder with the name Java FAQ and opening this particular folder in a command prompt by typing here cmd. So I have already configured my system with path and class path, so I can access Java C tool. So here, just to show you, yes, it's working over here. So let me open a program here, notepad abc.java. So you can see here, when I open this file, it has opened the notepad, and here I am writing public class abc, and just I have kept inside this nothing. You can see I have this as an empty class, public class abc. Nothing is being declared inside, neither the variable nor the method. And this particular file is available here in the folder abc.java. Now when I compile this file, here I am typing java c abc.java. So you can notice what is gonna happen now. So when I press enter, it is going to generate abc.class. You can see in the background here abc.class file created. In fact, I will create once again, so deleted. And here now I am going to type once again java c abc.java. You can notice it will create in the background there one abc.class file. And to see what is the detail in that abc.class file, we can type the command java p abc. So when you press enter, have a look. Here you can see a default constructor in the class. So this proves that whenever you don't provide any constructor in the class, there is a default constructor added. But yes, the final question is who adds this default constructor to the class? Have a look. Here I have only compiled. I have not executed my program at all. Just after compilation I have got it. So the answer for this question is the compiler is the one who adds this default constructor to the class. When we run this program with the statement java space abc, at runtime the JVM JRE interpreter will come into picture. So here just compilation has added this particular thing. So this is to prove that yes, compiler adds up the default constructor to the class. So our answer out of the 4 options, none of these. So it's neither the JRE, JVM or interpreter. And also here let's see what is java p for. It's not to see the detail of just our user defined class, but you can see the detail of any inbuilt class using java p. Java p space java.util.date, and when you press enter, you can notice the complete date class structure is displayed over here. Okay. Similarly, you can take java p java.lang.thread. So likewise, you can see the detail about any class. It could be any inbuilt class or it could be any user defined class. Thank you for watching. Let's see you with another question. Thank you.